And hello guys! So today guys is I'm gonna show you what's inside my baggie. Tomorrow is my school. I'm gonna school tomorrow. I'm grade 4. My section is grade 4 Mangosteen from City Central School. Mabuhay! And thank you. Char! Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's inside of this. It's named Chloe May G. Manales. Cause I'm Manales. Like that. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, let's open it. It's like ganja, right? It's like ganja. There's a name. Ganja. And we're needing a foot map so that our floor will be not dirty because the teacher is arty. Okay, this is a foot map. Like that, foot map. And I'm gonna suot this when I am at the classroom so that our floor will not be dirty. And okay, let's move on. And this is a marker, the permanent marker, and I'm gonna show it to you all. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, move on. Okay, this is a yellow pad, a giant yellow pad. And we're gonna use that. So this is a construction paper for our projects, like that. Our project is hard because I'm grade 4. And this is a glue, stick glue, giant and small. Okay, this is a scissor, cute scissor, name tag, and ruler. Foot map, bag, and inside of my bag, I have a special pencil. This one. I'm gonna show you why it's called special pencil. Okay. So let's get a paper. So you're gonna put, so this is a special pencil, see? Okay, perfect. Okay, like that. Look, it's a special pencil. See, it's a special pencil. Okay, let's move on. Ouch. This is all of my ball pens. I have many ball pens like that. Okay. And the other here is notebooks and secrets like that. This is my notebooks. It's a yarn notebook. I don't like spring. And look at my notebooks. I'm gonna show you what's the subject. Health and PE, Science, GMRC, Filipino, Music and the Arts, EPP, Mathematics, English, and AP. So we have no MTB and AP because our language in grade 4 will be English and Filipino. No Bisaya like that. And do you know guys that this bag is special? This is my baby. Like that. So this is so nice guys. You gonna buy this on the store. So dyan, nakakalit sa tindahan. Secrets. And I have 3 papers in here. Grade 4 papers and my colors, crayons, like that. And that's all what's inside of my bag. And bye-bye! Bye-bye guys! I mean, that's all for the video for today. This is my name. Okay, don't forget my name. I'm gonna sleep now because I'm sleepy. Tomorrow is my school. Look, it's 9. It's so late to sleep. A child is needing to sleep for 10 hours like that. Okay. Bye bye guys. That's all for the video today.